The XTRA Muse 2 Pro is getting closer to launch, and even though it's still in a very early stage of development, there are already a few features that have really caught my attention, I have to say. So today I want to give you guys a quick first look at what's coming and share some of my early impressions before I attend an upcoming creator event and get the chance to really put this camera through its paces. So let's move on with the video. Now, before we jump in, I do want to mention that this is not a full review. The camera is still in an early stage of development and I haven't had the opportunity to fully test it yet. Once I attend the creator event and spend some real-time shooting with the Muse 2 Pro, I'll be bringing you guys a complete review soon. But from everything I've seen so far, there are definitely a few things worth talking about. So the first thing that immediately stood out to me was the image quality. From the footage I've seen from other creators and from the ones I've done so far with the Muse 2 Pro, it produces really clean image with beautiful color, excellent detail, and a nice cinematic look overall. That honestly looks very promising. I'll reserve my final judgment until I can test it myself in different lighting conditions, but these early results definitely have me excited, I have to say. One of the biggest features for me is that caught my attention immediately is the ability to record at 4K at 240 frames per second, which is crazy. If you've been following this channel, you already know I'm a huge fan of cinematic slow motion. So having this on the Muse 2 Pro on a small compact camera like this, it's just out of this world. Whether you're filming action sequences, product video, which consists of B-roll, or storytelling movements that you can actually use 4K at 240 frames per second, opens up a lot of creative possibilities. And that's something I'm really looking forward to testing even further. And the second feature that I actually like the most is the 1-inch sensor that has the 3x zoom capability. Having that extra reach gives you more flexibility when composing your shots without always needing to move closer to your subject. It's one of those features that can really come in handy depending on what you're shooting. Because sometimes you don't want to get too close to your subject and they're gonna look at you, what's this guy with this big camera in his hand, like, hey, but you have now this 3x zoom that you can just actually use. That's clutch. That's actually a game changer. Now, this is probably the feature that I'm most excited about. For those of you who enjoy color grading your footage, the Muse 2 Pro introduces both X-Log 2 and the brand new X-Log 3 log profile. Personally, I found myself spending most of the time working with X-Log 2, which offers up to 14 stops of dynamic range, which is plenty enough that you would need out there. And the way I like to shoot, it just gives me plenty of flexibility when bringing footage into, my post-production workflow, which in this instance, I use DaVinci Resolve. But if you're someone who wants to maximize every bit of information of the sensor, you can capture X-Log 3, which pushes things even further with up to 17 stops of dynamic range, giving you even more highlight and shadow information to work with during your color grade process. As someone who spends a lot of time inside DaVinci Resolve, I'm really looking forward to seeing what these profiles can do once the camera is in the real shooting situations. I can't wait for this camera to be finalized so I can really test it for myself. Again, early stage, so that's something I want you guys to know. Now, as far as pricing goes, nothing has been officially announced yet. However, from what XTRA shared with me, the Muse 2 Pro is expected to be priced under $700, although we'll have to wait for the official launch to confirm all of those details. They're also opening up an early access program for both the Muse 2 and the Muse 2 Pro. By placing a fully refundable $20 early bird deposit, you will unlock a $60 launch coupon, which is gonna be a no-brainer. So again, you put $20 to, as a deposit, and they're gonna shave off $60 on either the Muse 2 or the Muse 2 Pro, which is a launch coupon that can be used towards either camera, like I said, on their official launch day. So keep that in mind, and if you want any more details, I'm gonna leave all these links in the description so you guys can start doing that. They're also selecting everyday creators to test some of the final prototypes on the units before launch. So if that's something that you're interested, also I'll leave the early access link down in the description below so you can check that out yourself. So creators out there, if you guys want to test these out, this is the perfect time to do so. Overall, these are simply my first impressions of the XTRA Muse 2 Pro. So I'm excited to see what XTRA is going to do when it's finally launched. Again, this is an early stage, so this is something that we take it for what it is for now. But once that happens, you can expect a complete review, which I'll be covering image quality, stabilization, low light performance, slow motion, color grading, and everything else filmmakers actually care about when it comes to these type of cameras. So if you have any questions, let me know on the comments and I'll try my best to answer all of you guys. So thank you so much for watching. Until the next video, go out there, create, and I'm gonna catch you guys in the next video.